Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. Do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. In today's video, I'm going to share a new kind of sari kuchu design. So watch the video till the end and I'm sure you guys are going to like this design. It looks really pretty and it can be done in as many colors as you want. And the only bead that I'm using for this design is the ring bead. So this is how it looks. You can use the proper gold colored beads or use dull finish like the ones I'm using in the video. So I'm using 1 finger distance and I'm also using a crochet hook to make a small hole in the fabric. And for the tassel part, I have taken about 120 strands. I have glued one end and I've made it hard. It becomes hard once it is dry. So before tying the tassel, I've also ironed the thread bunch using a hair straightener. If you do not have a hair straightener, you can also use your regular iron box at home to iron it. It's very important to iron the silk thread because it gives a very good and neat finishing. So I'm going to leave the tassel length slightly longer and using 2 strands of zari here, I'm tying the tassel. So once I have tied the tassel, I'm going to pass the needle below the zari like this and I'm only going to trim the zari and keep the needle away. Now once we've reached so far, now we are going to insert this ring into the thread like this. So lift the upper half of the thread bunch like this. Make sure the bead is in between and then we are going to tie it once again. Just like how we tied earlier, I'm using same 2 strands of zari and I'm going to make 2 or 3 knots. It's very easy to make and instead of just adding any regular tassel, this looks really different. So you guys should definitely give it a try. And also let me know in the comment section how you like my videos and if you have any particular requests, please leave them in the comment section. And I'm feeling really bad to tell you guys, I will not be able to post videos every day now on because I think a lot of you know that I have reopened my boutique. So I'm a little occupied with all that work, but I'll try my best to post videos as often as possible. So now the second part, again I have just inserted the thread and I'm going to tie it in the exact same way. So once this is done, it looks really pretty. I have been getting messages from a lot of you guys saying why you're not posting videos. It's just that I am so occupied that I am not getting time to film videos and edit them regularly for YouTube. So please pardon me for that. But trust me guys, I will definitely try to at least post 2 to 3 videos a week. So I'm just using random colors for demonstration here. You can use any colors of your choice, matching the sari or colors which are contrast to the sari. So the process is exactly the same. I am using a needle or crochet hook to make hole in the fabric so that it is easier to work with this kind of thread bunch. So the glued end has to be longer always and the cut end of the thread has to be on top like this. So it's very simple. If you have just started doing sari kuchu, also you can definitely go ahead and try this design. And I don't think it takes a very long time to finish the complete sari. It looks trendy, so you guys must add this design to your catalog and I'm sure your customers are going to like it. So that's how we will continue the complete sari. I'm just going to trim this zari and just in case if you did not follow for the first time, I'm going to show it once again. You will have to add the bead like this in between the 2 bunches or whatever the thread is divided into the first half and the second half, we will insert the ring like this and then tie it. If you have already tried this design also, do let me know, because I think this design was sent by one of my subscribers. She requested me to post a video on how to work this design, so that is the reason I am filming this. So it's a requested video. If you guys have already tried this, do let me know. Generally this kind of design we stuff gold bead or some plastic bead inside, but with rings, this is the first time I think I have posted on my channel. So do let me know what you think about it. So the exact same thing again, once we tie, we can just trim off the thread, and it's very important to make sure all the tassels are at same length. If the tassel length is uneven, then it's not going to look good. So you'll have to make sure you trim everything to the same size. See how pretty it looks? And especially the gold zari in between with dark colors, it gives that touch of gold, and it looks very pretty. You can just turn the ring if in case the holes are visible, and yeah, that's it. So now you know how easy it is to work something like this. So if your customers are really bored of the same old designs, you can suggest them something like this. So I guess that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and the Kannada version will be up on my Kannada channel, which is Naughty Threads Kannada. Do subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs, and also visit my blog naughtythreads.net. We have started shipping all the material, so you can place your orders on naughtythreads.com. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.